After a long wait, the iPhone 16 series finally hit the market. Just like in previous years, this time it is also divided between the Standard and Pro versions. So far, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is still the highest model in this series. Well, here are the complete specifications of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and its price that you must know. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a larger and more elegant design. Compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this latest model has a wider screen at 6.9 inches. Despite being larger, the overall dimensions of the device remain comfortable to hold thanks to thinner bezels. The design features a sturdy titanium frame and attractive color options, including the new Desert Titanium. Its Super Retina XDR display also offers excellent image quality with a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits. The phone also introduces a new ceramic shield that is claimed to be twice as strong, as well as improved internal architecture to help with heat dissipation and better sustained performance. Another major design update is the new camera control button, located below the power button, allowing quick access to photography and video features. At 6.9 inches, the XDR's Super Retina OLED display provides a more expansive and immersive visual experience. Its enhanced brightness of up to 20% enables clear viewing even in direct sunlight. Vivid colors and high contrast make images look sharper and more realistic. The display also features ProMotion technology with a 120 Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, as well as more efficient power usage thanks to Apple's new OLED technology. This LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel also supports HDR10, Dolby Vision, and is capable of reaching up to 2000 nits of brightness. While the external appearance is similar to its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features improvements in design and better screen functionality. The iPhone 16 Pro Max camera offers significant improvements in terms of photo and video quality. With a triple camera system consisting of a 48-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel wide camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a LiDAR sensor to improve low-light photography and augmented reality applications for sharper, more detailed, and high-quality images. One of the key improvements to the iPhone 16 Pro Max camera is the larger main sensor. This makes it possible to capture more light and produce brighter and sharper images, even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide camera has also been upgraded to 48 megapixels, so it can produce more detailed and sharp images, especially for landscape photos. The videography features on the iPhone 16 Pro Max also get a major upgrade with the ability to record 4K video at 120 FPS, opening up opportunities for slow-mo video capture and cinematic scenes with high detail. Audio recording is also improved with a studio-quality microphone that enables customizable sound recording settings, including better wind noise reduction. Even the 12-megapixel front camera with True Depth technology supports 4K video up to 60 FPS, ensuring optimal selfie and video call quality. The main camera with the new sensor is 1 by 1.4 inches larger, a telephoto lens with a focal length of 300 millimeters that allows zooming further. Also, one of the exciting new features is the camera control button located on the right side of the phone, allowing users to quickly access the camera. This feature provides intuitive control, allowing users to focus the camera with light pressure and take photos with full pressure. Users can also slide this button to zoom in and out and change various settings such as depth, exposure, and styles. With the addition of visual intelligence features that can scan, translate, and provide information from photos, as well as improvements in capturing audio, the iPhone 16 Pro Max becomes a powerful tool for content creators and photography lovers. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is equipped with the latest chipset, the Apple A18 Pro, which is built using 3nm technology. This chipset offers significant improvements in speed and energy efficiency compared to its predecessor, the A17 Pro. The new hexa-core CPU is 15% faster, and the GPU is 20% faster, ensuring highly responsive performance for a variety of demanding apps and games. In addition, there is a faster neural engine for more advanced machine learning and AI processing tasks. The A18 Bionic chipset also comes with neural engine technology that enhances the AI and machine learning capabilities of the device. iPhone 16 Pro Max is available in multiple internal memory options, ranging from 128 GB to 1 TB, and all options come with 8 GB of RAM to ensure smooth performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with the iOS 18 operating system that offers a range of new features and performance improvements. iOS 18 features an intuitive user interface and receives regular updates to keep the device secure and efficient. In addition, iOS 18 also integrates AI technology that enables the device to perform various tasks more intelligently and efficiently. In terms of operating system, the iPhone 16 Pro Max runs iOS 18, which introduces various new features and performance improvements. iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence, an AI framework that enhances the capabilities of Siri and the integration of other AI features. Some of the new features include AI-based text prediction, better control over the main screen display, and improvements in apps like Photos and Messages. In addition, iOS 18 supports RCS messaging for more seamless communication between iOS and Android. Support for 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-wideband chips are also included, offering extremely fast and stable connections. Improved thermal management is also introduced to reduce the risk of overheating during heavy use. iPhone 16 Pro Max also comes with an ultra-wideband chip that facilitates location features and communication between devices. This smartphone is equipped with a 4,676 mAh battery, providing a significant improvement over the previous model, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which only had a capacity of 4,422 mAh. With this battery, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is capable of lasting up to 33 hours for video playback, 29 hours for video streaming, and up to 105 hours for audio playback. The power efficiency of the A18 Pro chip and the larger battery size are the main factors for this improvement. Despite the bigger and brighter screen and higher performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max still maintains impressive battery performance. For charging, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports fast charging via cable with 30 watts of power capable of charging the battery from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. While there is no new ultra-fast charging technology from Apple, it is still effective. The phone also supports MagSafe wireless charging up to 25 watts, which is an upgrade from 15 watts on the previous model, as well as supporting the QI2 standard for other wireless charging. In addition, there is a 4.5-watt wired reverse charging feature, although the speed is not as fast as mains charging. As is Apple tradition, a charger is not included in the phone's packaging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is priced starting at US $11.99 for the 256GB variant, US $13.99 for the 512GB, and US $15.99 for the 1TB. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are available in 4 color options: black titanium, natural titanium, white titanium, and desert titanium. The phones started to be available for order in 58 countries on September 13th and in stores on September 20th, but availability in Indonesia is yet to be determined and will be coming soon. However, the price in Indonesia is bound to be different from the current global price, as there are taxes and other additional costs to be paid.